今日は広場という言葉を勉強します。広場は多くの人々が集まる場所やイベントを開くための開けた空間を指します。公園や街の中心地にあることが多いです。買い物をしたり、友達と遊んだりする場所としてよく使われます。広場、広場。The word 広場 means a public square or open area where people can gather, often used for socializing or events. The first kanji means wide or broad. It conveys a sense of openness and spaciousness. For instance, in the word sebio, which means suit, the kanji indicates the broadness associated with a well-fitted suit. In the word kokoku, which means advertisement, it reflects the idea of spreading or showcasing a wide array of information. Similarly, in the word hiroi, meaning wide or spacious, it directly embodies that core concept of expansiveness. The second kanji means place or location. It often refers to a specific area or setting. For example, in the term hikoujo, which means airport, the kanji indicates a location specifically designated for flying. In koujo, meaning factory, it signifies a place where manufacturing occurs. Additionally, in chushajo, which means parking lot, the kanji indicates a designated area for parking vehicles. Together, these two kanji form hiroba, meaning plaza, or open space, which captures the essence of a broad area meant for gathering or activities. I play in the park square. 公園の広場で遊びます。公園の広場で遊びます。I played in the town square. 私は街の広場で遊びました。私は街の広場で遊びました。Play at the event square. イベント広場で遊ぶ。イベント広場で遊ぶ。The children play in the square. 子供たちは広場で遊ぶ。子供たちは広場で遊ぶ。The most common synonyms of the hiroba are hiroba and basho. Hiroba specifically refers to a public square, often used for social gatherings or events, while basho is a more general term meaning a place, which can refer to any location, not necessarily open or public. The most common antonyms of the hiroba are heisho and kurai basho. Heisho refers to an enclosed space where movement and socializing are limited, while kurai basho means a dark place, which implies a lack of visibility and openness, contrasting with the bright and open nature of a hiroba.